Alright, so Samsung is not even waiting for the Galaxy S26 launch event anymore. They've basically decided to spoil the surprise themselves. And honestly, I'm not complaining, because the teasers they've just dropped are kind of wild. First up, low light. And I don't mean the usual slightly brighter night mode. Samsung is pushing this whole vibrant nights idea. And from what they're hinting at, the Galaxy S26 series might take night photography to a completely different level. We're talking photos that don't just look brighter, but actually colorful. You know how most phones make night shots look either super grainy or weirdly overprocessed? Samsung's teasing something that feels smarter. Cleaner shadows, better skin tones, more detail without that artificial glow. And the key word here is AI, heavy AI. The idea is that the phone isn't just boosting brightness. It's analyzing the scene in real time, understanding what's a face, what's a background, what's light, what's noise, and adjusting everything on the fly. So instead of a flat, dull night photo, you get something that actually looks alive. And that's just the camera, because Samsung also dropped a second teaser, and this one might actually be bigger long-term. One UI 8.5. They're calling it the new One UI is coming, and it sounds like more than just a small update. Core apps are getting proper upgrades. Samsung Messages is apparently coming back as a serious communication hub. Game Booster is getting deeper performance controls for power users. The camera app is being refreshed. Samsung Wallet is being redesigned. It sounds like they're rebuilding the experience, not just tweaking icons. This is interesting because usually hardware gets all the hype, bigger sensors, faster processors, brighter displays. But this time Samsung seems to be saying, no, the software is the star too. And then they took it global. Samsung lit up 17 massive landmarks around the world with giant 3D billboards showcasing Galaxy AI. We're talking places like Piccadilly Circus in London, the Moxie in Los Angeles, Shibuya Station in Tokyo, the Entertainment Building in Hong Kong, King's Tower in Jeddah. Full-on skyscraper-sized projections. These aren't normal ads. They're those crazy 3D illusion billboards where it looks like objects are popping out of the building. And Samsung is using them to show off AI photo editing, dynamic scene transformations, and tools that don't just respond, but anticipate what you're about to do. It's very dramatic, very we are entering the AI era energy. And just when you thought that was it, the leaks arrived. Just days before launch, high-quality renders of the Galaxy S26 lineup surfaced online thanks to well-known tipster Evan Blass. So now we've got a clear look at the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra. Starting with the Ultra, this is clearly the showpiece. It's coming in black, cobalt violet, sky blue, and white. Clean, premium, sharp edges. That unmistakable Ultra presence. This is Samsung saying, this is our best. No compromises. The S26 Plus keeps a very similar design language. Same color options, same premium vibe, but no extra periscope camera and no S Pen. So it's for people who want the big screen and flagship feel without going fully ultra. And then the standard S26. Same color palette, same modern look, but more compact and accessible. Even the base model doesn't look basic anymore. Samsung's clearly trying to make the entire lineup feel high-end this year. So what's the bigger picture here? Samsung isn't just launching another phone. They're building hype around three things at once: AI photography, a major One UI evolution, and a unified premium design across the whole lineup. If the teasers match reality, the Galaxy S26 series could be less about raw specs and more about smart processing and refined experience. And honestly, that might be the bigger upgrade. Now, I want to know what you think. Are you more excited about next-level night photography? The One UI 8.5 changes? Or are you just here for that cobalt violet ultra? Either way, the official launch is right around the corner, and if this is just the teaser phase, the main event might be huge. Make sure you're ready.